Keeping your bike cleaned doesn't just make it look good, it also extends its life by preventing dirt and grime from building up in the moving parts. A good cleaning brush kit can make the process a lot easier, saving you time and effort while protecting your bike's performance. Today, we'll take a look at the top 7 bike cleaning brushes you need to make the job quick and thorough. Number 1. Chain Washer 2-Piece. The Chain Washer 2-Piece set is designed to make chain cleaning as efficient and straightforward as possible. With 2 separate tools included, this set allows you to thoroughly clean your bike's chain from multiple angles. Made from durable plastic, each piece is lightweight but sturdy, ensuring it can withstand repeated use without wearing down. The bristles are arranged to get deep into the chain's crevices, dislodging grime and build up with minimal effort. This set is particularly effective for its compact design, which makes it easy to maneuver around different sections of the chain. Despite its small size, it offers plenty of reach to tackle both the inner and outer links, ensuring a comprehensive clean. The tools are ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip that helps prevent slipping during use. For cyclists who prioritize chain maintenance, the Chain Washer 2-Piece set is a practical choice. It's effective, affordable, and offers a thorough cleaning experience that can keep your chain running smoothly, extending its life and improving your bike's overall performance.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Park Tool Cleaning Brush Kit. The Park Tool Cleaning Brush Kit is a versatile set that covers nearly every part of your bike. Known for their quality, Park Tool has crafted this kit with durability and functionality in mind. Each brush is made from high-strength plastic, designed to resist bending and wear even with frequent use. The kit includes different brush shapes and sizes, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as between spokes, around the chain, and near the gears. One of the standout features of this kit is its range of bristle types, which vary in stiffness for tackling different cleaning tasks. The firmer bristles work effectively on tough grime, while the softer brushes are gentle on sensitive parts like the frame and rims. This balance ensures a thorough clean without risking scratches or damage to your bike. This cleaning kit is ideal for cyclists who need a comprehensive solution for full bike maintenance. Its versatility, combined with high-quality construction, makes the Park Tool Cleaning Brush Kit a reliable choice for both amateur and seasoned cyclists alike. And number 3. 2-Piece Motorcycle Chain Brush. While designed with motorcycles in mind, the 2-Piece Motorcycle Chain Brush is also a great fit for bike chains, offering a robust cleaning experience. The brush has a 3-sided design that allows you to clean multiple sides of the chain simultaneously, making it highly efficient. Constructed from strong plastic, this tool is lightweight but durable, capable of handling even the grimiest chains without wearing down quickly. Its long bristles are strategically placed to scrub between the links, targeting the hard-to-reach areas where buildup tends to accumulate. The tool's design also includes a narrow end, perfect for getting into tight spaces around the derailleur and cassette. This flexibility makes it a practical addition to any cyclist's cleaning routine. Ideal for cyclists who want a fast, effective way to maintain their chain, the 2-Piece Motorcycle Chain Brush is compact and easy to store, yet tough enough to handle regular cleaning. Its efficiency and thorough design make it a valuable tool for keeping your chain in peak condition. Number 4. Muc-Off 206 Premium Brush Kit. The Muc-Off 206 Premium Brush Kit is a high-end option for cyclists who want a dedicated, comprehensive set for their cleaning needs. This kit includes a variety of brushes, each tailored to specific parts of the bike from the frame to the drivetrain. The materials are top-notch, with bristles that are durable yet gentle on delicate surfaces, preventing scratches or wear on your bike's finish. Each brush in the Muc-Off kit is ergonomically designed, with handles that provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, allowing you to clean with precision. The brushes also feature rubberized edges to protect the frame from accidental scratches. The different brush heads are designed to tackle distinct areas, such as the wheels, chain, and cassette, ensuring that every part of your bike gets the attention it needs. For cyclists who value quality and don't mind investing a bit more in their tools, the Muc-Off 206 Premium Brush Kit is a top-tier option. It offers durability, protection, and an excellent cleaning experience, making it worth the investment for serious cyclists. Number 5. Chain Cleaner Brush Set. The Chain Cleaner Brush set offers a dedicated solution for tackling dirty bike chains. This set includes brushes specifically designed to remove grime from both the surface and the inner links of the chain. Each brush is made from sturdy plastic, ensuring longevity and resistance to the wear and tear of regular cleaning sessions. The set is compact, making it easy to store and transport, perfect for cyclists who often clean their bike on the go. The brush bristles are arranged in a way that allows them to reach deep into the chain links, effectively dislodging grime and buildup. The set also includes a scraper tool for removing any tough dirt from the chainring and cassette. This extra feature ensures that no part of the drivetrain is neglected, providing a more thorough clean. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to keep your chain in top shape, the Chain Cleaner Brush set is an ideal choice. It's affordable, easy to use, and gets the job done, making it a valuable addition to any cyclist's cleaning toolkit. Number 6. Muc-Off Claw Brush. The Muc-Off Claw Brush is a specialized tool designed for precision cleaning in tight spaces, such as around the cassette and derailleur. Its unique design features a claw-shaped end that helps remove large chunks of dirt and grime with ease. The brush is made from high-quality plastic, ensuring it won't bend or break during tough cleaning sessions, and the bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively without damaging components. The brush also includes a scraping tool at the end, which is perfect for tackling stubborn debris that gets stuck in small crevices. This tool is particularly effective at cleaning the cassette, where grime tends to build up over time. The handle is ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip that allows you to apply pressure precisely where you need it. Ideal for cyclists who want a detailed, targeted cleaning tool, the Muc-Off Claw Brush offers quality and effectiveness in a compact form. It's great for keeping your bike's drivetrain clean and performing at its best, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Number 7. Brushe 2-Pack Spoke Wrench Kit. The Brushe 2-Pack Spoke Wrench Kit is a practical and budget-friendly option for cyclists who want to keep a spare spoke wrench on hand. This kit includes 2 separate wrenches, each made from durable steel to ensure they withstand regular use without bending. The wrenches are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry, whether in a saddlebag or a repair kit. Each wrench is designed to fit multiple spoke sizes, allowing for adjustments on different wheel types. The compact design provides a comfortable grip, and the steel construction offers the durability needed for consistent performance. The 2-pack option means you can keep one wrench in your home workshop and one on your bike, so you're always prepared for a quick adjustment. Ideal for both casual cyclists and serious riders, the Brushe 2-Pack Spoke Wrench Kit is a convenient and cost-effective solution for maintaining wheel alignment. With its durable construction and versatility, this kit offers great value and peace of mind for cyclists who want reliable tools. These bike cleaning brushes each bring unique benefits to your maintenance routine. From the precise cleaning of the claw brush to the all-encompassing premium brush kit, there's a tool here for every need. With the right brush, keeping your bike spotless and well-maintained becomes simple, saving you time and enhancing the life of your ride. Thanks for watching, and make sure to add these essential brushes to your bike care kit.